Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you plug in a hard drive, USB, or try to open a file in Windows 11 and receive an error stating the parameter is incorrect, it usually means the file system is corrupted or there is a miscommunication with your drivers. I will show you exactly how to repair the drive and fix this error right now. Let's get started. First, the most common cause of a parameter error is logical file system corruption on the specific drive you are trying to access. Open your Start menu, type CMD into the search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and explicitly select Run as Administrator. Type CHKDSK space, the letter X followed by a colon, space, /F space, /R into the terminal, but remember to replace the letter X with the actual drive letter of your corrupted disk or USB. Press Enter and allow Windows to thoroughly scan the drive, fix file system errors, and recover readable information from any bad sectors. Next, if the drive is completely healthy but Windows is still throwing the error, your core operating system components may be damaged and misinterpreting data. Keep your elevated command prompt window open and actively selected for these next system repair commands. Type DISM space /online space /cleanup-image space /restore health and press Enter to allow Windows to download fresh, uncorrupted system images from Microsoft servers. Once that process finishes, type SFC space /scan now and press Enter to verify your local files and instantly replace any damaged configurations. Finally, an outdated or broken hardware driver can break the communication pipeline between your computer and the storage device. Right-click your Windows Start button and select Device Manager from the Power User menu. Expand the Disk Drives category, right-click the specific external drive or USB that is causing the error, and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers, or if that fails, simply select Uninstall device and restart your PC so Windows can cleanly reinstall a fresh driver. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.